If your Instagram application is not working properly or you're not seeing new features, then I'm going to show you 2 ways of updating the app on your mobile phone. So make sure you watch the video until the end. But before we start with the video, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more Instagram and other tutorial videos. So let's start by opening our Google Play Store on Android or our App Store. If you're an iPhone user, and simply search for Instagram. If your app isn't updated to the latest version, you'll see an Update button, which you're going to click on. Then wait a couple of minutes until the latest version of the app is downloaded and installed on your phone. This will get you all of the latest features and performance improvements which they add in every new update. But if you see an Open button, that means that your app is already updated. But if you don't see those new features, then exit this and open the settings. Click on General, and then find this iPhone storage option. This is going to give us a list of apps which we have installed on our device. So locate the Instagram app on this list and open it, and once you open it, you're going to click on this Offload App option. Offloading the app will remove Instagram from your iPhone, but it will keep all of your data, your login information, and your settings, so you won't lose anything important. After the app has been offloaded, simply tap on Reinstall App to download a fresh and clean version of Instagram back onto your phone. This process can fix deeper problems that a regular update won't solve, especially if you're not seeing new features or if Instagram is running slowly. Offloading basically resets the app without deleting your photos, messages, drafts, or account. Once the reinstall is finished, open Instagram again and check if the new features are now showing up. In most cases, this method fixes the issue immediately because it removes any corrupted files or bugs that were blocking the update. And that's it. These are the 2 ways to update your Instagram application on both iOS and Android. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.